If Instagram is not working on Wi-Fi but works on mobile data, here's how to fix it. First, restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug it from the power source and wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, try switching to mobile data to see if the issue is only with Wi-Fi. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your network connection and may resolve the issue. If Instagram is still not loading, forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap on your Wi-Fi network and select Forget Network, then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. Try cleaning Instagram's cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try Clear Data. This will log you out. Make sure your Wi-Fi has internet access by opening other apps or a web browser. If nothing loads, the issue is with your Wi-Fi, not Instagram. Restarting your router or contacting your internet provider may help. Check if Instagram servers are down by visiting websites like Down Detector. If Instagram is experiencing an outage, you'll need to wait for it to be fixed. As a final step, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app, restart your phone and download it again from the Google Play Store. If none of these fixes work, report the issue to Instagram by going to Settings, Help, report a problem. That's it. Hopefully, this helps you fix the Instagram not working on Wi-Fi issue. If this worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.